Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I want to share with you my experience with this Chinese model, brick model similar to Lego. Before I ordered it took me a few days to convince myself that it's worth investing the money in this Chinese puzzle. I was very interested in the possibility of installing a remote control in the model, but I had least doubts about the quality and was most worried about whether I would receive all the parts and nothing would be missing. Let's go, I will show you more in the video. you are worried about the quality of parts and workmanship, you don't have to. The quality is good and the parts fit nicely and hold together what is most important. My biggest concern was whether I would be missing a part, but it didn't happen. Even I got extra parts and the car is complete. Okay, thank you for watching until the end and see you in the next video, where I will show you the installation of remote control motor and how the model drives.